Welcome to our YouTube channel Splash GK, your one-stop destination for general knowledge, current affairs, GS and history quizzes. Let's begin. Question 1. Which river is known as the Sorrow of Bihar? A. Yamuna, B. Kosi, C. Ganga, D. Chambal. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Kosi. Question 2. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, C. Sucheta Tipilani, D. Indira Gandhi. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Question 3. The Chipko movement is related to A. Saving water, B. Saving forests, C. Saving animals, D. Saving soil. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Saving forests. Question 4. Who is called the father of the Indian nuclear program? A. Homi J. Bhabha, B. Vikram Sarabhai, C. APJ Abdul Kalam, D. Satish Dhawan. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Homi J. Bhabha. Question 5. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? A. Mars, B. Mercury, C. Venus, D. Pluto. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Mercury. Question 6. The famous book Discovery of India was written by A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. B.R. Ambedkar. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 7. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Dal Lake, B. Wooler Lake, C. Chilika Lake, D. Loktak Lake. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Wooler Lake. Question 8. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? A. Karnam Malleswari, B. Mary Kom, C. P.T. Usha, D. Saina Nehwal. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Karnam Malleswari. Question 9. The Battle of Plassey was fought in which year? A. 1757, B. 1764, C. 1857, or D. 1707. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. 1757. Question 10. Which is the longest national highway in India? A. NH 27, B. NH 44, C. NH 19, D. NH 48. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. NH 44. Question 11. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize? A. C.V. Raman, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Mother Teresa, D.
Amartya Sen.
Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore.
Question 12. The term black hole was first coined by A. Isaac Newton, B. John Archibald Wheeler, C. Albert Einstein, D. Stephen Hawking. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. John Archibald Wheeler.
Question 13. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Maharashtra.
Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Gujarat.
Question 14. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Lal Bahadur Shastri, D. Morarji Desai. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question 15. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi J. Bhabha, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Vikram Sarabhai, D. Rakesh Sharma. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. APJ Abdul Kalam. So friends, how was this GK quiz? If you enjoyed it and learned something new, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And yes, for more amazing GK, GS, current affairs and history questions, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest quizzes. See you in the next video with more exciting questions. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.